Mississippi mud pie. Depending on what website you're on, you're gonna get a different recipe, but no matter what, it's chocolatey and rich and amazing. This has an Oreo crust, a chocolate fudge pie brownie center, and chocolate ganache on top. Only chocolate lovers need apply. You're starting with 30 Oreo cookies crushed and 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's been melted. Press that into a springform pan. Then we're making the filling with 1/2 cup of butter and 4 ounces of semi-sweet baking chocolate. Melt that, add a tablespoon of flour, a cup of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then whisk in 3 large eggs and an egg white. Pour that into your crust. You're gonna bake that. It's gonna be like a fudgy brownie. Once it's baked, you're gonna make the ganache topping with a cup of bittersweet or semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of warm heavy cream. Just heat that until it's just warmed. Pour it over the chocolate. Whisk until it's nice and smooth. Pour that over the cooled brownie in the middle of the pan. Let it set. I mean, look at those layers. See how fudgy that is? This is best served with a big glass of milk, that's for sure. This is such a delicious recipe, and it's so rich that it feeds a lot because a little goes a long way. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, let me know what other pie recipes you want to see, and keep watching for even more desserts.